Hi traders, this is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com and this is your January 5th, 2016 midday market report. If you're not already a member, go ahead and give us a visit, www.thetradinganalyst.com. We've got some of the best performance numbers in the industry, and we also teach you how to take every single trade that we make. Every trade is a learning experience, and our goal is to not only give you profitable alerts, but to teach you along the way so that you can become a better trader on your own. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. So we're going to take a look at a few charts here. I'm just going to kind of run through them, and you can watch me analyze them as I go. So the S&P 500 looks like it's digesting yesterday's big bounce off of the lows. Here's what I'm seeing. We've got a little bit of an uptrend line right here, and that's going to be right around 199.50 is where that's going to hit. We also have this downtrend line retest that would be right around the same area, and there's also some support in that area as well between 200 and 199.50. So a little bit of support in that range. Moving forward, if we do get a bounce from there, keep in mind that we've got some resistance up there. We've got this downtrend line up there. We've also got resistance from that 204 level. It's a gap fill. It was the low here, 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 and if you expand the chart beyond this 7 days, you'll see some resistance up there as well. So keep that in mind. I'm going to look at the daily chart here, and here we go. So daily chart, here's what I'm seeing. Got there, okay. Really nice. This is a really nice angle that we've been bouncing against. I like that as an angle to be trading against. Buy the lows here and short the highs up here, to put it simply. Okay, this was a little bit of a fake out right there, but as you can see, the angle here is good other than that one candle. So definitely like that angle for a downtrend line. If and when the S&P 500 gets up to 207, I think it's going to be a good short. We'll see if it makes it up there. I do think it'll make it up there, so we'll see what happens. Let's see. Netflix. We'll look at the 15-minute chart here. 7 days. Okay. Pretty similar look to the S&P 500 here. We've got that downtrend line here. We've got that resistance line right there at 114. And the big resistance is at 116. And if you look at the daily chart, you can see it even better. But as you can see, the lows here, 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 here. Okay. As far as the more immediate resistance, we've got it at about 110. Almost made it up there. Got rejected once, twice here. And that's about where the open of today was. We've got an uptrend line here that you can draw, and you can also draw this one right there. We'll see if either of those holds. But those are the angles that I'm looking at for Netflix. We'll look at Google. Google is definitely one of the stronger ones today. If we end up popping today, I think we will pop today. Either chop and digest yesterday's gains, or a pop higher is my opinion on what's going to happen today. Google looking strong, and it broke over this downtrend line here. Okay, so as you can see, it got rejected at the open, and then it broke over this trend line, came back here, retested it, and now it looks like it's bouncing and it wants higher. Support right there as well. So we bounced off of there. So no no surprise here that Google is heading higher. Definitely want it to stay above kind of this 758 level or so. There's that gap fill up here. I think the gap is going to fill sometime in the near future. So we'll see what happens with that. Apple. Apple kind of erased pretty much all of yesterday's gains, and it's not looking too good. But we could be forming a double bottom here. As you can see, we've got, this is the 15-minute chart, we've got a few long lower wicks here, long lower shadows on these candles, and that's always a sign that we can get a possible bounce. As you can see, same thing happened at this similar level yesterday, so we'll see what happens with that. You can draw a downtrend line here, so that's something to keep in mind. Not my favorite downtrend line. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, a little break above it, but I still like that angle right there. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing on Apple. Let's see what else I can cover. Amazon. Normally I just cover one or the other between Amazon or Google because they've been trading pretty much in tandem, except for recently. So we've got this support down here at about 630, and we've got this huge gap to fill up there. Not sure if it's going to fill sometime soon. We'll see, but I do think it will fill. We've got that downtrend line up there. We'll see how that reacts. We've got this trend line you can draw right there from these highs to these highs over there. Resistance is at this 640 level, okay? 640 is a big resistance on the daily chart as well, and as you can see, it is on the 15-minute chart as well, the highs of all these candles, okay? And then we opened above it and then ended up closing back below it. So 640, major resistance at the 640 level. I think that's going to be the key area for Amazon. If it can break over 640, we can fill that gap. If not, if these lows break today, then we can head much lower to 620. Okay. That's it for the market analysis, midday market report. Excuse me. As always, you can visit us at www.thetradinganalyst.com. Check out our performance tab. We've got great profitable alerts. We also teach you how to take every single trade. We do a watch list every night, daily member video where I go into a lot of detail and I prepare you for the day ahead. It's a great opportunity, and I suggest that you take advantage of it. Good luck out there, guys.